What's up, YouTube? It's me, your boy Martel Holloway, here with Secrets of Subliminal Messaging Life Hack Part 2, The Experiment. I do want to say that my wife was aware of the experiment, so she actually was blown away too, because I had to make her a believer. So she 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 she's a believer now. So I do want to say I did see the young lady again like a month later or something, or less than that. And I walked up to the young lady and I'm like, hey, you remember me? And to be honest to you, she looked at me like she couldn't stand me. Like she looked at me like she didn't like me or anything. I didn't even call her back though, so we can see why she probably didn't like me because I was just trying to see if it even worked. I ain't need to call her back. I got a wife, so I was just trying to see if I can get a woman of that class when I was in science. So, but I want to tell you guys to run your own trials. So basically, how would you run yours? So remember, each number you have to start from each number. So start from one, then go to two, then work your way to three. So every time you interact with something, give it 10 minutes to make the magic happen because every number has a special ability. So, like one is I, two is give, three is yes, four is uh, being productive, five is family, six is music, seven is completion, eight is new beginning, nine is the universe, and guess what? It goes to zero. And you know when zero takes place? It all in a ball. And you just shake it all up. Yeah, and just watch it. It'll just play out the way you wanted to play out. So that's part two of the experiment. Get out and do your own, y'all. I'm telling you, when you got my book in front of you, start from number one, minute one, then you go to minute two, then you go to minute three, then you go to minute four, then you go to minute five, then you go to minute six, then you go to minute seven, then you go to minute eight, then you go to minute nine, and then when zero comes, you sit back. You let zero do what zero gonna do, cause zero you in and you out of the spiritual world and the physical world. So it's time to manifest what you just invested in for 10 minutes straight. You don't need 10 minutes straight, but if you got 10 minutes straight, you probably walk away with $1 million. All right, YouTube, be careful with your studies. Be aware of everyone's safety. Over and out, YouTube. The experiment part two.